Good morning, Chickadoes and Chickadees. Today is Monday, October 26th, and this is your lesson video. So we're still along the idea of argumentation and what that looks like in a scholarly environment. We're looking at it from the lens of language and composition, where it's an exchange of ideas, the idea of you trying to convince your audience to believe something, do something, think something, or vice versa, to not think something, to not do something, to not believe something. But regardless, there's a sense of structure, and more importantly, there's that level of sophistication, and not just doing an historian approach of just your ideas, your reasons, and then that's the end all be all, but more of a concessionist mentality, maybe giving in to the other side, but proving why you're more so right, or acknowledging the other side and saying, okay, this is why you're wrong. So we're just looking at that level of a maturity of being able to acknowledge that there's more than just your bubble and what you have to say. That is the spirit of argumentation, of just being open-minded, being objective, being tolerant of other people's opinions, and coming to a consensus of what needs to be done, what should be done, what you would like to be done, regardless of what position you're on or what your opponent's position is. So as you take a look at what we're going to be working on is this idea of argumentation and crafting our responses. And the Tolman model is a great way to communicate those particular ideas. The full Tolman model is great for speech and debate, for performance pieces, but with our writing, we need to accommodate it to have a sense of organization, pulling in your own pieces of information, of evidences that you can use now from your four corners, and then acknowledging the other side and using the Schaefer model of providing two pieces of evidence, just kind of having a stronger case, more to it, having that girth behind it, okay, pulling that weight behind your ideas, bringing in those extra resources. So last week you were supposed to craft a Tolman paragraph, and we're going to be working with that. So all I want you to do today is you're going to watch this video. It's a TED Talk. I love TED Talks, as you can see. And it's about, what do grades really mean? This is going to hit home for some of y'all. It's about a 10-minute and 45-second video. And what I want you to do is write a précis for this young lady's argument. If you forgot what a précis was, in the document, what I did is, there's the link for the video. And then these were the notes from week 3 when we first started back in August, early September, and what it looked like for those 4 sentences. So again, recursive, we're always going to be coming back to this. We're still going to be looking at rhetorical analysis. We're building on the argumentation. So we're just adding on, but never forgetting from where we came from. So you're going to craft that 4-sentence précis for Eva Wren's argument. So what I'm going to try to work on now is looking for the transcript, because the way the video is posted in YouTube, it doesn't have access to the transcript. So I'm going to get that for y'all. But I want you to build a 4-sentence précis for the video, for the TED Talk, what your grades really mean. All right, and I'm thinking of a TED Talk like assessment when it comes to this argumentation segment. So get your thoughts together. I love you. Have a good day. Make good choices. I'll be on the Zoom call until 7th period today if you need anything. All right. Bye, guys.